to the wharf and they unload their catch, put everything in the big blue crates to go to auction. Looks like a bit of a quiet day at the auction today. Usually this place is packed full of trucks. Tuna in these tubs here, and I think this is a swordfish over here. Marlin. Wow, huge. Yeah, tuna goes for the big bucks. The record for a single fish at auction was 50,000. Think, oh, they're a bit yellow, a bit green, they're not that fresh, so they buy these ones. I buy these ones. The Sydney Rock oyster, they're supposed to be greeny yellow. They're more flavour. The creaminess in these oysters is incredible. And the sushi later on today. So they're not related to the Klook River. Handling the different seafood. So I'm going to grab some of this Australian salmon to put in our sushi later on today. Okay? On the bridge itself, it's got the footpath, there's 8 lanes of traffic up to Japan, India and China. And then our second largest export is iron ore. That's a brush turkey for cheese, and I've also, this one here, this is banana bread. We eat lots of banana bread in Australia, lots of it, but if you want to take So, have we got some people who have rolled sushi before? Yeah? Oh, I get Japanese and Korean people on board who have never done it before. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. One salmon, oh no, 2 salmon, 1 bug, 1 bit of avocado, that is. You're gonna... Stop, would you stop? Yeah. The grapes are ripening just early. See, that's a big joey. Any day, Mum's going to wake up cranky and she'll say, "Get out, get a job. You can't spend the rest of your life in my pouch." She'll kick the joey out. She'll because it had this door which had a wheelchair lift. So I took the wheelchair lift out and I scoured the internet with this toolbox which fits quite snugly in here. It has the drawers. So I put in the barbecue. I've got all my seasonings. If you pull up the seat behind a wine glass,
Ja, hier ist super. Das ist special this.
I'm from Canberra in Tasmania. We can grow black truffles, but we cannot grow the white truffles. You can only get them from Spain and Italy, as far as I know. That should pair up really well, but the rest of it just eat as your leisure. Some olives that I've marinated, some dried figs, and some cheddar and corn cheese. Enjoy. Bernillo.
Ja.
Yeah, pretty much. It's just firewood for us.
I'm glad you're entertaining me out there, mate. Just look at me.
There we go. I'm gonna.
Careful, brother, they're already pre-cut. Just so you're going to play that up on your mate then.
From the fish markets this morning, I've got these half-shell scallops, and I took the scallop out, put in my cauliflower and fennel puree, barbecued it up and barbecued the scallop, put it in with a squeeze of lemon and macadamia nut dukkha. So this should pair up quite well with the Chardonnay that's about to pour for you.
It's not that size from
Wagyu beef, yeah.
Yeah, I think I see it. Yeah, that's in the bar, right? Yeah, actually I didn't. Oh my god, this is actually. This one's not very sweet. This is quite nice one.
It's not for me.
That's the hottest part, and that's what I focus on the sugar to melt the sugar. The tip of the blue flame.
No need try, we just go with the motions. Close your eyes, ease your mind for a moment. Need no smoke that make you feel you floating. You know joke or you pressure, you know it. You know it, you know it. I don't fall under pressure, I be handling business. Get it finished, no extras, don't get into specifics. Wave maker, I came up out the Pacific. So you don't trust what you can't see. Some things are left to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me. You feel nothing good in life would be this easy. You don't trust what you can't see, but some things are too good to believe in. I just wanna know you believe me, yeah. How could I lie to you?